How to read WhatsApp messages on lock screen iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. On this page, scroll down to the Notification Style section and tap on the WhatsApp app. You can manage the app notification settings from here. Go to the Lock Screen Appearance section and tap on Show Previews. Here, select Always. And then, go back and select Lock Screen in the Alert section. Following these steps, you can easily read WhatsApp messages on lock screen iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.